With the enormous power of a hydraulic press, how many times can a sheet of paper be folded? To date, the world record for human paper folding. The world record for human paper folding is a staggering 13 times. Imagine, if you folded a piece of paper 83 times, it would be 100,000 light meters thick. That's almost comparable to the diameter of the Milky Way galaxy. Today, we're going to push that limit. Notice that the thickness of this paper is only 0.03 millimeters, less than 1/3 the thickness of ordinary paper. We put together 16 pieces of paper into one big sheet. Start folding. The first time, the second and third times were effortless. By the fourth time, little brother began to use calipers to assist. The fifth and sixth times were still no difficulty, but after the seventh folding, the square meter of paper had become the size of a palm. And after the eighth fold, the paper actually unfolded naturally. It seems that 7 folds by human power is already the limit. So he decided to use a hydraulic press. Under the strong pressure of the hydraulic press, the paper is slowly compressed to its limit. The 8th fold is complete. 9th fold. The paper could no longer be bent with bare hands. But by the 10th time, to solve the problem, Z inserted a nail in the middle of the paper and increased the pressure. Finally, the paper was successfully pressed to make an indentation. But with the help of the nail, it still succeeded. However, while attempting the 11th fold, the paper crumbles. It seems that even with the help of a hydraulic press, it can only be folded 10 times. So, how many times do you think you can complete it?